You searched how to buy shares of Solo Brands Inc. Solo Brands makes outdoor cooking and lifestyle products and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SBDS. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase SBDS, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SBDS to find Solo Brands Inc. Select the entry that lists NASDAQ and the SBDS ticker to open the correct listing. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and the SBDS ticker before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your SBDS position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link and additional resources in the description below.